Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Goa garden pie. First, gather your fresh, tropical ingredients for the filling, like ripe mangoes and passion fruit. Next, prepare a simple, buttery pie crust from scratch. We will then combine these elements, bake the pie to golden perfection, and finally, serve this delightful dessert. This guide ensures a flavorful and visually appealing pie, perfect for any occasion. Creating a perfect pie crust is fundamental for a Goa garden pie. Start by combining 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, cut in 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add 1/2 cup of ice water, mixing gently until the dough just comes together. Chill this dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling it out to ensure a flaky texture. The heart of our pie is the vibrant Goa garden filling. Dice 3 cups of ripe mangoes and 1 cup of fresh pineapple, ensuring small, even pieces. In a bowl, combine the fruit with 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Stir in the pulp of 2 passion fruits for a delightful tang. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure the flavors meld beautifully, creating a truly tropical experience. Baking your Goa garden pie to perfection is the final step. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the assembled pie on a baking sheet and bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Once baked, allow the pie to cool completely for at least 2 hours. This ensures the filling sets properly, making it easy to slice and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.